exciting time to be a Republican in this amazing country that we all live in. This is going to be a good year for us. And I want to be very clear about why this is going to be a good year for us. There's two reasons, and it might not be exactly what you think it is. The first reason is because of every single one of you. We are going to win in 2014 because of your passion, your commitment, your hard work, the effort that all of you have already begun to bring to this effort. The other reason we're going to win, and this is equally important, is because we are right. And it's because we are right. It is unfortunate that some of our neighbors have had to learn it in the way that they have with the obvious failure of the policies of this president, the obvious failures of people like Senator Jeanne Shaheen and Carol Shea Porter and Ann McLean Custer. All we have to do is look around us and listen to the stories that our neighbors are telling. 22,000 Granite Staters receiving cancellation notices on their health insurance last year, thanks to Senator Jeanne Shaheen. 22,000 Granite Staters losing their health insurance because Carol Shea Porter and Ann McLean Custer won't go to Washington and fight for the people of New Hampshire. We've got to remember what this is all about, folks. This is about winning elections. We don't have a voice at the table if we do not win these important elections. And so my message everywhere that I go that I'm trying to share with everybody now is that we cannot govern if we do not win. And we will not win if we do not stand together. We have a full slate of great candidates. We're going to have some very enthusiastic, energetic primaries. I encourage you to embrace those primaries. Choose your candidates. Go out there and make the best argument that you can for whoever it is you stand for. Make the phone calls, knock on the doors, hold the signs, everything that we have to do. But when the primary is over, if we do not stand together, we will lose our elections this year. I need you all to stand with me. The promise that I make for you is that when you go out into those primaries and you choose your candidates, whoever you send me in the general election will get 100% of the party's resources, 100% of the money, the structure, the ground game, the technology, everything that we're putting in place. All I ask is that you do the same, that you give 100% to all those candidates that we choose as well. We cannot win if we do not stand together. I need you on our team. If you are a Republican because you are passionate about limited government, like I am, if you are a Republican because you believe, as I do, that our Constitution was written to limit government, not freedom, if you are a Republican because you believe, as I do, that it's Republican principles that lead to an America of unlimited opportunity for all of our children, I need you on our team, because we are fighting for nothing less than that. It seems everybody's... something that I had never really spoken about at a political event before. I was late getting here. I'm sorry I didn't have the chance to visit with everyone, but I was late getting here tonight because I was at a family night for the Marines. A couple of months ago, my oldest son signed up and joined the United States Marine Corps. We'll be going to boot camp in the fall. Always understood that I am a Republican because I am a mother, because I know what the dream and the vision of my 5 wonderful children is. But I have to tell you that I was surprised by the degree to which it hit me when James made this decision on just how important it is that we return leadership of our state and our nation to Republican hands, to responsible Republican hands that believe, as we all do, that we live in the greatest nation on earth, and that it's a nation that is exceptional, that is extraordinary, that is worth fighting to defend and preserve for future generations. So as chairman of the party, I thank you so much for the work that I know you're going to do going forward, and as the mother of a future Marine, or I guess a now Marine, I say thank you for the hard work that I know that you're doing to help protect and preserve our nation as well. Thank you.
Croc TV.